All right, my friends, today on the menu is going to be some baked drumsticks. So we have this pack here, 11 of these. So I think I'm going to bake these, and I really want to grill today, but the rain is coming and it's a little hot right now. So I think we're going to bake these, but who knows? We'll see in a second. But I'm going to start by seasoning these beauties. All right, friends, I received these spices in the mail from Uncle Dave's. These are Uncle Dave's spices and rubs, and I received one in savory salt flavor and for the barbecue seasoning flavor. Now, I was going to grill today, but I'm going to try this one. I think we're going to use this today for our drumsticks, but this smells absolutely amazing and I am looking forward to tasting it, and so is my husband. We will save this savory salt for another day, but this one's going to be equally as good. But I do plan on grilling soon, and we will test both of these out though for sure. Okay, friends, I have my chicken here, my drumsticks, and these have been thoroughly rinsed and patted dry to the best I could. We are using Uncle Dave's spices and rubs in barbecue seasoning flavor, so we're going to use this one today. All right, so I do not measure, so I'm just going to start adding the seasoning. It smells so good. It really does. My husband is so anxious to try this. And we go crazy with seasoning, so I don't want to overdo it really though. Because this is the first time we're trying this. So, all right. So I'm going to add this, and I'm still going to add my own little bit of spices, okay? I always add garlic powder, which I know is probably included in the seasoning. My onion powder. And of course, my black pepper. You know the drill. What are you guys having for dinner tonight? All right, and I'm just going to toss this. And before I do that, let me add my olive oil. I always do that to my chicken. I meant to do that first, but just a little bit, just to get it coated. Now, if I were to grill these, I would not add the oil necessarily, but since I am going to go ahead and place these in the oven, I want them really juicy, okay? So I'm going to mix this, and we'll be back. Okay, I have my gloves on here, just on one of my hands, and we're going to just get this all mixed up well. The spices, I must say, they smell absolutely delicious. It really does smell like I have brought in some barbecue meat. You know I'm going to add some more, right? I just wanted to get this kind of mixed up first. All right. Yeah, we're going to go back in with some more of this seasoning. It smells so good. I hope it gives me that barbecue seasoned flavor even in the oven. I think it will. Guys, I hope you're enjoying my content. If you are, please hit the like button. That really helps out my channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. I need you guys' support to keep going and sharing the recipes. Any comments would be greatly appreciated. I'd love to hear from you. What recipes you'd like to see from me, or just anything. I'm open to it. All right. Oh, this smells so good. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit more of my my garlic powder, excuse me. I'm going to do that. I always do. So it looks good. And what I'm going to do, I always allow my meat to kind of sit in the refrigerator for about at least 30 to 40 minutes. Sometimes it ends up being an hour. And that's okay, because I'm starting dinner a little early. I have a couple of meetings I need to jump on, meeting calls, and I'll have this already prepped so I can just go and bake away. I really wish I could barbecue today, but this weather is just too risky. Been storming here all week so far. Now this is what we're looking like, and I probably will add some more. My husband just loves seasoning, okay? And this smells, oh my gosh, it smells so good. All right, so I'm going to place this in the refrigerator for at least 40 minutes, if not longer, and then I will be back and we'll place this on the baking sheet and bake away. Hey guys, I have my chicken here, And it has been in the refrigerator for at least an hour. I get so sidetracked, but that's okay. Now I am going to just lay these on my pan here. This is going to be such a good dinner. We love some chicken. Now I love drumsticks. That's probably my favorite part of the chicken. I love these. I always have, whether they are baked, grilled, fried, anything. Oh, I'm about to scoot these over some. Oh, look at that. This one has some good seasoning. I think I'm going to top it with some more. I hope I'm not adding too much and it's salty to taste. I don't want that. But we're going to add some just in case. Just a little bit more. And of course my garlic powder. I love garlic powder. Love it. But I am anxious to see how these seasonings taste. Now this again is by Uncle Dave's. And this is what it looks like. It's a nice size container too that he sent. I appreciate that. We're going to definitely use this quite a bit. I'm just going to sprinkle some more on. I don't know. If you understand, my husband loves seasoning, okay? I mean, a lot of seasoning. So that's what we're going with. So this is what we're looking like, guys. I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to allow these to cook for about 40 minutes. Don't these look great? Well seasoned, and it smells so good. It smells as if I have actually barbecued. All right, we'll be back. All right, my friends, it is that time. Here are my chicken legs, drumsticks, whatever you want to call them. Don't these look amazing? Oh my goodness. It smells so good in here. Special thanks to Uncle Dave's for sending these delicious spices. And my husband cannot wait to dive in. So Layla's over here begging, but she can't have any. But we're going to dive in shortly, guys. And for my sides, I went ahead again and baked some sweet potatoes in the oven. So these cooked at 425 degrees for about 15 minutes, okay? And then we have some just canned glory greens. So we're going to pair this. This is going to be so good.